Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to automate reminders and follow-ups for your meetings in Calendly. This feature helps us keep track of no-shows, keep our clients informed, and make sure we stay on top of every booking. Let's go ahead and set it up. From your Calendly dashboard, we will start by setting up automated reminders. Click on the meeting you want to add notifications or reminders to. Once you are here, click on More Options. In the More Options menu, click on the Notification and Workflows section. To send an email reminder, simply turn this on. For text reminders, turn this on as well. We can also turn on calendar invitations so they are sent out right after a booking is made. Turn this on, then set the timing for when the reminder goes out. You can adjust this to whatever works best for you. If you are unsure, you can always come back and update it later. When you are done, remember to save and close. That is how we set up automated reminders and follow-ups in Calendly. With these automations in place, we can improve attendance and keep communication clear with our clients.